Welcome to Automotive Area channel. Technically the new Arteon replaces the CC 4-door coupe in VW's lineup, but it takes a noticeable step up in size and prestige. The Arteon production car ditches the concept's electrification and arrives on the MQB platform with an overall length that is 2.0 inches longer than the CC on a wheelbase that stretches about 5 inches longer. The dimensions pay big dividends in rear seat space, proportion, and stance. Style-wise, the Arteon is also revising the face of the brand with a more horizontal look that merges the grille bars with the headlamp-led graphics. In the back, there's a nod to Audi in the dynamic sequential amber turn signal bars. It'll be the first VW to get his Audi hand-me-down. Inside, the horizontal theme continues with a narrow band of genuine wood wrapping around the interior. A 9.2-inch touchscreen incorporates elementary gesture recognition, where an approaching hand expands the bottom row of control icons to better describe each button's function. Globally, the Arteon will get 3 gas and 4 diesel 4-cylinder engine options, manual and DSG transmission offerings, and the option of 4-motion all-wheel drive when it goes on sale next summer. North America will have to wait until late 2017 or early 2018.